Welcome back guys, Cryptofly channel. Today we would like to talk about Jupiter updates with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Guys, first of all, Jupiter bounced it now and hype it because they got like really good milestone, and now they opened the new product Jup Land. It's like borrowing, lending, something similar to Aave, for example. But on Sol, and it's already registered 1 million wallets. So definitely it will be good for TVL. It's good for marketing, definitely, because when some project introduce something new, it's always like a good driver for retailers to hop in, and they start thinking, oh, it's something special, we skyrocket to the moon and all of this stuff, guys. Let's take a look now on ETH accumulation pump model. Never say never, again, never say never. So guys, you remember I explained why mostly I never traded trend lines, because for me personally, it's all about the timing. And it's all about the liquidity pools and the logic, right? People use the trend lines, so we can use the trend line like this one. So let's say one touch, second touch, third one, 4, 5, fake out to the moon, up only, fake out, bam. All right, so we redraw the trend line. No, this is a real trend line. Touch, third touch, fourth, 5 touches, fake out, crash it down. And technically, right, definitely we form something like triangle, right? And we should base it on classic TA by all rules. We have to move with the size of this triangle, something like this one, right, to $2.57. But it won't happen. Why? Because we got a initiation accumulation pump model and all zones playing out in 90% cases, because the market makers absolutely, totally don't care about the technical analysis. They hunt liquidity. They work with the algorithm, with the bots, with the soft, and they deliver the price sooner or later, right, to the right zones because of algorithm. So this is a weekly time frame since January. And when I post this video, people, and when we trade it here around $1.79, people scream, we never dropped to 0.5 level by FIB. What are you talking about? And here is after, for example, even from this candle, 427 days it took us to land, even more, because on the daily time frame, it took more days, because I posted the video about Jupiter after the listing on the next day. So it took 431 days. So this model playing out till penny, everything absolutely correct. And we can confirm, so this model legit. And of course, there is no 100% win rate strategy, but you save a lot of money, a lot of nerves, if you wait this entry. And this is an entry. This entry, of course, could be wrong, right? Definitely. We can drop even and invalidate the idea, drop under 3 cents. And we get an invalidation of idea. But guys, every single strategy got the rules and the risk. But here, it was more logical to buy Jupiter or start use DCA with the 4 orders, 1, 2, 3, 4, to build a position. Now we bounce it on this news, on these rumors, 80%. It's a logical entry here from 0.5. From the 50% of the range, so around, we bounce it 100%. So if you add a limit order, let's say 31 cents, 32 cents, now you can easily withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens, free money from the air, guys. Of course, here locally, it was also the logical entries, for the bounce, like from each level, 27, 18, 0, 0, we hold the line. But remember the problem. Retails think, I don't know why, as more we test some level, the retails think it become stronger, it become weaker. I a million times explained you this one. All right, what next, guys? Flash crash, capitulation, you can call it whatever you want. It can be the 61 level fee, 27, 10, 13, 1652, 1185. Even at this block, maybe even I will buy Jupiter. Now I skip this talking. Congrats everybody who took a risk and bought it. So I believe in new all-time high for Jupiter, 100%. But guys, I can't know the future. It's just my personal opinion. So I believe in Jupiter. I believe in Sol will hit a new all-time high again. The meme sector on Sol will pump one more time, maybe the last one, and probably the last one. And Jupiter will follow. So definitely. So the next and the first trouble area where we can find the rejection, if it will be the rejection, it's a yearly open. It's once again the same swing trades fixation zones. So here it's a 77.54, 83.23 yearly open. Pretty simple, guys. And at this moment, we have to take a look. Are we break the yearly open retest and go higher to grab this liquidity, or depends of timing. For example, if the summer going to be red one, we can reject, drop it down, form double bottom, recover back, and the side of this double bottom will be exactly over the $1.50, for example, $1.40, with a continuation to the new all-time high. That's why, of course, guys, I wish to see something like this one, sideways, drop, and higher, right? Because if we will see something like this one, we just waste the next 2-3 months in the downtrend again. But it can happen. It definitely can happen, guys. So be careful at the yearly open. You can add alerts, right, and wait this target and wait what to do. Open short or just wait. Just wait and hold a position if you bought it here. To buy here, it's only up to you. For me, the logical entries is 0.5, 61, 78, 86. All targets I explained to you since January 24. So with the potential, guys, it's hard to say about potential. New all-time high, yes, I believe we will see $2. So it can be from this entry 580%. So it's a good profit. If you don't want to take a risk, you can already withdraw initial deposit, guys. Everything pretty simple. Let's hide the rectangles and Fib and double check just with my customer reset. Now, what's going on with the whales position? I don't like the session like this one. So this is not a crazy accumulation. It's kind of scary. Of course, it's not a big, crazy distribution, but of course, much better if we get traded here. All right, anyway, you took an action or not? I skip for this moment. Maybe if we'll see the capitulation, 16 cents, maybe I will buy the Jupiter. Direction, no signal to buy, nothing. Capitulation was here. So all this period was a FRIA. This is a capitulation. So at this point here in this area, you can logically accumulate Jupiter on a weekly. Now it's a hope. Zone for on the weekly time frame for Jupiter. Money power, guys. No money inflow. We've never seen the money inflow on a weekly. Money outflow, it's kind of scary one because here was a money inflow. Money outflow. So step by step, some whales fix a profit. That's why it's kind of scary to see something like this one. More than real to see, so be careful. Take a look, guys. Trade on. 2 less signals to buy, take profit, sell. All right, anyway, take a look on a weekly. On a weekly, no data. Guys, daily, I think better reduce the size of position, you know, if you open a huge long, right, and still not fix a profit, right? Because we can, yes, test the yearly open and then drop it down. And people, once again, will draw the random trend lines like this one, or like even better, right? Like this one. So guys, just be careful. The crucial level, of course, we need to sweep the 86 with retest and go higher to build a new structure, right? Technically looks like on a daily, we form the break of structure, right? So we break the structure, correction. Now, yes, I told you, locally on a daily, it's logical to see the 81. But at 81, I guess it can be the end of, I don't know, maybe June or middle of June, we can see some rejection. Last indicator, guys, take profit. Weekly, I guess, no data. Yes, weekly no data, daily one. Daily, guys, it was a logical also entry. You need to find a more and more reason why you can open position. So it was like 0.5 level by FIB. It was a news and the hype around this millstone that you planned. Here, we trade on a daily under fundamental value, right? So we saw some money inflow here. We get 2 signals to buy. So it's like a logical entry. And the first here reaction we will see at 65.56. It's take profit line, exit line 73.88. So guys, all targets locally, I explained to you when we're gonna hit the new all-time high. After that, we can double check the potential where we're gonna stop. Now, this correction maybe not ended. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please any comment what do you think about Repeater. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.